Okay, this very special. This was actually made by my wife's uncle, Dale Sigler. He used to work for Marx Toys and was a very talented artist, and he sculpted this for me. This is when we were doing the Joe Too Cool to Smoke campaign, taking the statue around to the schools. It's been through some wear and tear, but has a great place here at the museum. And again, he's got a smile on his face too.
A quiet man, Robert Dale Sigler declined our request to interview him over the years, but fellow model room employees we did interview all spoke highly of him both as a skilled artist and as a person. We're pleased to be able to preserve some of his artwork through his Joe Too Cool to Smoke plaque, a part of the Dr. William Mercer collection at the Kruger Street Toy and Train Museum.